From raw polymer to final installation, the Tu-160 fuel bladder undergoes rigorous testing to ensure intercontinental range.
The spectrometer analyzes the molecular integrity, verifying the precise composition and crucial stabilizing agents required for the fuel bladder.
Scan complete. Zero contamination detected. The batch is clear for the Tu-160 line.
Excellent. Noted.
The dual production pathways ensure that the high-tolerance material for the Tu-160 fuel bladder remains completely isolated from the general-purpose components. The coordination between these automated systems is precise, ensuring heat stress is evenly distributed across the flexible material during the fusion process.
Specialized matte black rubber baffles, designed to prevent fuel sloshing, are fed into the bladder structure by a robotic tool.
Lift synchronized, very slow. Watch the pressure points.
Confirmed. Fittings clear. Take it to the bay.
Test complete. It held perfectly.
Excellent. Let's get it out of here.
As the massive fuel bladder moves through the automated booth, a finely atomized anti-static coating is applied.
Here in Process B, the specialized polyisoprene compound is fed into the high-volume injection molding machines, producing essential aerospace rubber gaskets. In Process B, the massive injection molding machine cycles rapidly, closing a steel mold under thousands of tons.
Data logs confirm the batch quality.
Excellent. The seals maintain elasticity well beyond operational limits.
The seals are holding pressure perfectly.
Certified and ready for reinstallation.
Flight controls checked. Hydraulics engaged and responding normally.
The rapid acceleration tests the structural integrity, ensured by our specialized rubber seals and gaskets.
The repair kit reveals several sizes of matte black rubber seals. The versatility of the grade B rubber compound. Note the degradation on the old seal. Now, take the new gasket from the Process B package and align it precisely. A digital readout displays the constant temperature and humidity levels, demonstrating the quality control extent.
This is the core of Process B. By optimizing the flow of raw materials, we've achieved unprecedented levels.
The Process B reliability statistics are holding steady at 0 failures.
Confirmed. The specialized compound is...
This mark confirms the origin and specialized compound used in the precision molding process, ensuring absolute traceability and